Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a declined payment on your Amazon order. If you've ever had an order stuck because your payment didn't go through, don't worry, this process will help you resolve it quickly and get your order back on track. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. From the drop-down that appears, select Orders. This will take you to a complete overview of all your recent purchases and any pending issues. Now, although I don't have any orders right now, I'll walk you through the next step. Look for an order labeled Payment Declined, Payment Revision Needed, or Problem with Order. These labels indicate that Amazon couldn't process your payment successfully. Once you spot one of these orders, click on the order title to open the details page. On the order details page, you'll see more information about what went wrong. Find and click the button that says Retry Payment or Fix Payment Method. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your region, but it should be clearly visible and easy to locate. Clicking this button will allow you to update your payment information and attempt the transaction again. When the payment screen opens, look for an option that says Change Payment Method or Use a different payment method. Click on it to proceed. This step is crucial because it lets you either select a different card you already have on file or add a completely new one to resolve the issue. In the Payment Method section, click Add a new credit or debit card. You'll then need to enter your card number, the name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, and the security code from the back. Once all the details are filled in correctly, click Add your card. Amazon will save this information securely for this transaction. After adding your new payment method, click Place your order. Amazon will now attempt to process the payment with the updated card details. If everything goes smoothly, your order will be confirmed and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly. However, if the payment still declines, there might be an issue on your bank's end. Open your internet banking app or website and log in. Check your card's available balance to ensure you have enough funds. Also, verify your daily spending limit and whether Amazon transactions are being blocked by your bank for any reason. Sometimes banks flag online purchases as suspicious activity. If needed, call your bank's customer service number. Ask them directly if any Amazon transaction was blocked or declined recently. Request that they allow the transaction to go through. Once your bank confirms that they've cleared the block, return to Amazon and try paying again using the same steps. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your declined Amazon payment and your order should now be processing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.